The government has made various efforts to improve the welfare of the Indonesian people, one of which is making economic policies by implementing social assistance programs. But so far, the social assistance has not been effective in helping the community. This is supported by data from the Central Statistic Agency regarding the poverty rate in Indonesia, which is still experienced up and downs in September 2020, an increase of 2.67 million people compared to September 2019, then decreased by 1.5 million people in September 2021 against September 2020. The ineffectiveness of social assistance can be seen from the smallest unit of the government system, namely the village, with the village government having an important role in the distribution of social assistance. Morowudi village, Cerme sub-district Gresik Regency, is one the village where the community receives social assistance from the government, such as PKH, PLT, BPNT, and so on. But if you look at whether the target recipients are right or not, it can still be said that social assistance has not been right on target, because there are several aids that are always received by the same recipients, or in other words, receive assistance at one time. The distribution of social assistance that is still not right on target is considered to have occurred due to the absence of data update, sympathy, and sharp and open socialization and communication in the procedure for collecting data on beneficiaries between the community and the village government. This is supported by the existence of different target selection techniques for each social assistance. Some are directly selected by the local RT or RW, and some are chosen by the hamlet head. Therefore, I offer a solution, the bullet model of assistance target selection system to facilitate the Morowudi village government Cerme sub-district Gresik Regency. This system can search for the weak value for each criterion and then rank the most optimal alternative using the simple addictive weighting, so that the social assistance target that has the most qualification is selected according to the criteria set by the government. Simple Addictive Weighting is a method that can be used to make decisions in a case with the weighted addition method. The criteria in the Simple Addictive Weighting method, there are two types, namely the benefit criterion, which if the value provides benefits for the decisions makers on the higher the value obtained, the greater the opportunity, and the second criterion, namely cost, which incurs cost for the decision maker on the opposite of the benefit criteria. Example of criteria used in the Si Santun system for BLT Dana Desa Social Assistance are the recruitment for BLT Dana Desa as criterion for the type of benefit with a weight of 30%, the salary of the head of the family as a criterion for the type of cost with a weight of 20%, the amount of monthly expenditure as a criterion for the type of benefit with 20%. Many families are born as a criterion for the type of benefit with a weight of 15%, and each as criterion for the type of benefit with a weight of 15%. After determining the weight of each criterion, normalization will be carried out, and the ranking of the highest weight selection will be carried out. This stage is the main stage where you multiply all the attributes by the weight of the criteria on each alternative. On the Si Santun website, it has a dashboard page that contains an overview of the Santun website, which can provide service to the community such as information and registration of target recipients of social assistance, news about social assistance, web usage guidelines, and documentation of social assistance activity. Then there is also a help page that contains a list of social assistance and information related to government social assistance. The third page in the registration of potential beneficiaries. This page is used for the public to register for the select social assistance, where they must fill out the form correctly and completely. So many explanations about my creative ideas. Thank you for viewing and goodbye.